Welcome back. Now in this video, we are looking at Google Correlate, which is actually a subset of the site Google Trends. And basically what Google Correlate does is it gives you an idea of what search term actually runs in parallel in popularity to your term. You can actually look at the term over time. You can actually look at the term geographically also. So for example, if we were to look at our term low-carb dieting, we'll be able to look at which search terms ran parallel in terms of its popularity also close to low-carb dieting. We can also look at it not only over time, but we can also look at it geographically. So we can look at which terms actually ran together with low-carb dieting and which states those terms were most popular. So again, this is another view of our search term, and it's a way of being able to look at how popular a term is relative to other things in a particular area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.